Welcome back to the Story Tree. It's Miss Moss again. Thanks for joining us today. We're reading a whole new story and we're really happy to have you. Thanks for coming by. Today we're reading Rabbits and Raindrops by Jim Arnosky. Mother Rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of green lawn. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Mother Rabbit hops out into the bright sunshine onto the green grass. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark and big heavy raindrops begin to fall. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. Soon, others come inside out of the rain. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Suddenly, the shower ends, and the last few raindrops splatter down. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn to taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. The end. Thanks for joining us again. We'll see you next time.